Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show voice message sound problem or voice message not working problem. Let's see how to fix this. Open on phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now scroll down, click on Instagram, tap on storage and click on clear data and tap on delete. Go back setting homepage, click on sound, click on volume, media sound full. Now open on Instagram app. Now in Instagram voice message, all problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.